Welcome to Hotels Combine's top 10 list of the most amazing hotel pools in the world. We start off with the San Alfonso del Mar Resort in Algarroba, Chile, which holds the record for being the largest pool in the world. It's larger than 20 Olympic-sized pools and 6 times bigger than its closest competitor. The pool, which is navigable in small boats, also holds the Guinness World Record for being the world's deepest swimming pool. Over in Bali, the Ubud Hanging Gardens Resort is set in the middle of a land of volcanoes, forests and rice terraces in the heart of the country. Each room at the resort has access to its own private pool, which are extended over multiple levels. From the resort's infinity pools, guests can enjoy uninterrupted views across breathtaking surroundings. Of course, the world's longest elevated swimming pool had to make our list. The infinity pool at Marina Bay Sands is 3 times the length of an Olympic pool and is perched 191 metres above the ground on the 57th floor. This infinity edge pool gives swimmers the illusion that water spills out over the side of the building and down into the city of Singapore below. Heading now to Mexico, we can't help but be in awe of the pool at Costa Correas. The pool has an infinity edge that vanishes over a cliff down towards the crashing waves below. With the 11,000 square feet infinity pool surrounding the front of the property appears to magically float in the middle of the water. Whilst each room at the W Retreat Koh Samui has its own private pool, we were in awe of the resort's Infinity Edge Lotus Pond pool, which greets guests at the resort lobby. Nestled within are circular bar lounges where guests can enjoy a cocktail while admiring the views of this tropical paradise. In Turkey, the Hotel Mardin Palace Antalya is considered one of Europe's most expensive luxury resorts. It's only natural then for it to boast the Mediterranean's largest swimming pool. The pool here is so large that guests can even take a gondola ride around the edge, which takes 30 minutes. With one of the most amazing views, we couldn't bypass the outdoor infinity pool and whirlpool at Hotel Villa Honegg in the heart of Switzerland. Sitting 900 metres above sea level, this pool boasts stunning views across Lake Lucerne and the mountain ranges. Like a mirage in the middle of Abu Dhabi's desert, the Qasr Al Sarab Desert Resort awaits in all its glory. Surrounded by majestic rolling sand dunes, the freeform Infinity Edge swimming pool overlooks the magnificent valley below. Arguably the world's most photographed pool, the Infinity Edged pool at Perivola, Santorini had to make our top 10 list. Having appeared on the front cover of countless glossy magazines, this infinity pool has unobstructed views of the Aegean Sea and neighbouring Greek islands. Whilst many hotels are forced to spend big for an envious pool, the Homestead Resort in Utah lets nature do all the work. Known as the Crater, the underground pool is a geothermal spring hidden within a 55-foot tall beehive-shaped limestone rock. Hotels Combined. Save up to 80% on hotels. Genius!